Discover a world of imagination and creativity with the 24-segment Mini Magic Snake Cube folding ruler puzzle toy, a timeless brain teaser that has entertained children and adults for generations. Designed with 24 connected triangular segments that rotate smoothly in multiple directions, this fascinating puzzle transforms into hundreds of different shapes and designs. Whether you're looking for a fun educational toy, a portable travel companion, a stress relief fidget, or an exciting party favor, this Magic Snake Cube delivers hours of engaging entertainment. Unlike ordinary toys that offer only one way to play, this folding ruler puzzle encourages limitless creativity. Every twist and turn creates a new opportunity to build imaginative figures such as animals, flowers, stars, hearts, geometric patterns, balls, swords, birds, and countless other unique creations. The possibilities are nearly endless, making every play session a new adventure. Inspire creativity and imagination. One of the greatest benefits of the Mini Magic Snake Cube is its ability to stimulate creative thinking. Children love experimenting with different shapes, while adults enjoy the challenge of discovering new designs. Instead of following strict rules, this puzzle encourages open-ended play that inspires imagination and innovation. Kids can recreate designs from memory, follow online pattern guides, or invent their own original creations. Every successful design builds confidence and encourages them to keep exploring new possibilities. Educational fun that supports learning. The Magic Snake Cube is much more than just a toy. It is also an excellent educational tool that helps children develop essential cognitive and motor skills through hands-on play. Regular use helps improve logical thinking, spatial awareness, problem-solving abilities, pattern recognition, memory skills, creativity, concentration, patience, hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills. Teachers and parents often use puzzle toys like this to make learning enjoyable while encouraging independent thinking and persistence. Stress relief for kids and adults. In today's fast-paced world, everyone needs healthy ways to relax. The satisfying clicking motion and repetitive twisting action make the Magic Snake Cube an excellent stress relief toy for people of all ages. Whether you're studying for exams, working long hours, traveling, or simply taking a break, manipulating the puzzle provides a calming sensory experience that helps reduce stress and improve focus. Many adults enjoy keeping one on their office desk as a fun way to recharge during busy workdays. Children also benefit from the relaxing nature of the toy, making it helpful during quiet time, homework breaks, or long car rides. Durable and built to last, constructed from high-quality, child-safe plastic, the 24-segment Magic Snake Cube is designed for everyday use. Each segment rotates smoothly while remaining securely connected, ensuring long-lasting durability even after countless twists and transformations. The sturdy construction resists cracking and breaking during normal play, allowing children to enjoy the puzzle for years without worrying about pieces falling apart. Its smooth surface is comfortable to hold, making it easy for both small hands and adults to manipulate the puzzle effortlessly. Compact and travel-friendly, the lightweight and portable design makes this puzzle ideal for entertainment wherever you go. It easily fits into backpacks, school bags, purses, travel bags, desk drawers, jacket pockets. Bring it along on family vacations, road trips, airplane flights, train rides, waiting rooms, restaurants, school breaks, office breaks. Since it requires no batteries, charging, or assembly, it's always ready for instant fun. Perfect for party favors and special events. Looking for a unique and affordable gift? The Mini Magic Snake Cube makes an excellent choice for nearly every celebration. Perfect for birthday party favors, pinata fillers, goodie bags, classroom rewards, school prizes, carnival prizes, holiday gifts, Christmas stocking stuffers, Easter basket fillers, Halloween treats, Children's Day gifts, party game prizes, reward incentives. Its universal appeal makes it a hit with boys, girls, teenagers, and even adults. Encourages family interaction. The Magic Snake Cube is a fantastic activity for families. Parents and children can work together to build shapes, compete to recreate designs, or challenge each other to invent something completely new. Playing together helps strengthen family bonds while promoting teamwork, communication, and creative thinking.